If you are a low-end device player and using GFX Tool for high frame rate, then this video is for you. In one of the recent article of PUBG, it is clearly mentioned that the use of any unauthorized third-party programs or hardware devices that may affect the game can result in ban of your PUBG or BGMI account. And I think that's the reason why some of the GFX tools are removed from Play Store and some works for a temporary time. Many YouTubers have also made some videos of themselves getting banned because of GFX Tool. But it is just a myth that you will get banned for using it. The real fact is that it depends on the GFX tool you are using. Some legit tools are PGT and GFX, which only change the resolution and frame rate of your game and nothing else. They are available on Play Store and I am using the GFX from last 2 years without getting banned. But some GFX tools like BGMI GFX and GFX Tool have extra features like Magic Aim, only headshots and no grass trees. These features will lead to permanently deletion of your account as they are considered as cheating. You will be able to find any player hidden in grass or behind tree, and you can also kill it in just 3 bullets, which will make your account suspicious and results in ban. In conclusion, if you are using GFX tools to change the graphics settings of your game, then there are roughly only 2% chances that you can get banned, and if you are using cheating configs as mentioned before, then there are nearly 60% chances that you can get banned. So, stay safe, play legibly, and subscribe our channel for more informative content like this.